So being in your body is much more likely to be able to spot someone who's not being genuine. Because if we're looking with our eyes, we're going to override it. So like, I'm sure there's other people than me that have had this experience where you go, there's something not right about this person, but they're so cute, I'm going to overlook it. Right? Okay. But your body told you not safe. Okay. So it's another reason to pay attention to dropping your consciousness down into your body. You can really just, can I relax with this person, or is there something funny going on? Your mind will override it, so you want to drop down in the body to let you know, is this a person who's safe? Safety. Because your body, just like a little dog can go safe, or they start barking if you're not safe, right? We have that little dog inside us. So we want to learn to trust our bodies, what our bodies are telling us about another person. Because basically you want another, what we're all looking for is another body that we want to hang out with. That we feel so comfortable, we just want to Netflix and chill, just hang out, you know, pat each other on the butt, hang out, make love sometimes, but it's mostly that just comfortableness with bodies. So that's another reason to date with your body, to see if, is my body comfortable with this person? Because if it's not, it never will be. I was with a guy for 4 years I was never comfortable with because I didn't know this yet. So you want to, is my body comfortable with this person? Everything else will take care of itself.